Welcome to IC Show TV. This is Paul Milligan, IC 2019. Many thanks for joining us for this latest video. I'm joined today by Don from the SDVoE Alliance. Welcome, Don.
Hello.
Could you talk me through the growth of the Alliance since IC last year? What's happened in the last 12 months for you guys?
It's been fantastic. So since last year, we've grown from roughly 30 members to over 40 now. We have 41 members in the organization. And we actually just did a recent count and found that there was about 158 interoperable products using SDVoE at this point.
It's a real sizable growth then.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Yeah. And you can see on your stand just behind it says the Matrix Transform. Could you talk me through, I've seen some literature of yours, could you talk me through kind of what that means for end users and people watching this video?
Absolutely. So, the technology is obviously an AV over IP technology. And we believe it's a very good AV over IP technology. Yeah. But the main point is that we're really looking ahead to a technology that can effectively replace the matrix switch. We believe that this is a much better way of doing matrix switching. Being able to do matrix switching over a standard off-the-shelf Ethernet switch as opposed to custom restricted matrix switches of the past. So we believe that we're transforming matrix switching by enabling it to be done over a more flexible, more capable Ethernet-based platform of the future.
Wow, okay. And one repeated complaint that I often hear about the AV world is a lack of standards out there. Is that something maybe you think the SDVoE Alliance can help with? Can you guys push that along maybe?
Absolutely. I mean, we believe we've created a very excellent technology to allow transport and processing over an Ethernet-based switch to again, transform the matrix switching of the future. And we're trying to create momentum such that we have a very large ecosystem of manufacturers that are providing equipment into that. And with over 40 members already and 158 interoperable products, we're on the right path towards having effectively a standard for the industry, and one that we'll continue to support from a technology point of view and in a growing ecosystem.
Right. We're very keen to sort of try and push and promote standards on the magazine if we can. So it's great to hear that you guys are really doing something proactive about that. So
excellent.
Well done.
All right. Thank you.
Don, many thanks for your time.
Okay. Thank you.